What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Kartboy. My name is Mark. I work here in engineering, and today we are happy to release the brand new line of Kartboy U-joints for both the 5 and 6-speed Subaru transmissions. Not the cable shift VA WRX stuff. These are not for those. On my right, we have this entire new family of product for the 6-speed transmission. If you're wondering why you need this, this is a factory U-joint. Super loose. This is what gives you a lot of play in your knob. Play in your knob is never a good thing. We've designed a brand new system that uses oil impregnated bronze bushings that are pressed into a center housing, as well as stainless steel crush tubes with new included stainless steel JIS hardware. 6-speed, bolts right in. You can service these, no harm, no fuss. Take all the play out of your U-joint. Your knob will be much, much tighter. And then if you have a 5-speed Subaru mechanical transmission, we have a couple different things for you. So same kind of idea, stainless steel, one-piece machined center housing with pressed in oil impregnated bronze bushings, stainless steel crush tubes, brand new JIS stainless steel hardware. And then if you have an older 5-speed, we've also reverse engineered the U-bracket, which is the selector that goes to your actual transmission. And why we did this is because some of the older 5-speeds had non-serviceable joints. This is a rivet, not a bolt. So instead of having to buy a different version and buying a solid joint, we've created this U-joint of our own. It's manufactured out of a 304 stainless steel, as well as a CNC machined 304 stainless steel tube, and then laser welded because new hotness. These are available separately, which should actually save you money when it comes to installing a solid joint in your older Subaru, where they are the most important. These rubber bushings age over time, give you a lot of unwanted play in your shaft and on your knob, and it's just not what you want. You don't ever want unwanted play. All these products are available at kartboy.com. If you have any questions, you can hit us up, supportboy@kartboy.com, or shoot us a DM on any of the social media pages. I don't need to say which ones they are. We're on all of them. So if you have any questions, let Harris know. He'll get back to you, not me. In the meantime, I got work to do. I gotta go. I love you. Go buy this. Makes a huge difference on your car, I promise. I love you. Goodbye.